Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never exceed. This is Progress the Analyst, and here we deliberate on all issues. We bring all the update to you. This is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because I give you authentic, nothing but the authentic. Now, a lot has been going on, and it's the duty of Progress, as I said before, to keep you updated. Now, we all know that there's a lot of cry from the southeastern part of Nigeria. People are saying 2, 3, 5 things that, oh, Fulani herdsmen is doing this, Fulani herdsmen is doing this. Is everywhere. I will upload a video concerning that, when they are crying that because they said just because they can't defend themselves, that is why the Fulani herdsmen treat them this way. Little did I know that this thing also happened within Ebonyi State. And a lot of people were calling on the Biafran people, saying, what are you guys doing? You say you are defending the land, you say you are protecting the land, and so many other things are coming in. Now, the Deputy Prime Minister, you guys know her, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, said she is taking a drastic decision this time around to make sure everybody protect themselves. See, this thing did not go well with a lot of people. But anyways, she passed it to law that this is what her cabinet or her government want to do with the Biafran people. Let me not talk too much, just listen to her, and I'll be right back.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. Thank you. I will support the bill, but one thing, we still have Fulani herdsmen among us, which is our politicians. Because what happened in Ebonyi State, they said the police and the vice president, the woman, the vice governor, the woman in Ebonyi State, on that place and tell the people that they should not panic, they should not worry that the Fulani are not coming. Both the deputy governor and the Nigerian police, when they contact the people, finish. Because after they left, the same people, some people don't go to church. They said that very day, the Fulani people arrive. Those are our politicians. Before we do everything that we get a place, we get a hold in that our place. Not be to harm the people is important. How can we do with them? They are our herdsmen first. They are the one. Okay, the governor for Enugu go there, say make the people don't retaliate. The most important, the most enemy we have is our politicians. If we talk until tomorrow. If our politicians is our problem. And today, that Ebonyi State government never make any comment. No paper write it. Nobody write it. And those where we say make they harm themselves. The Nigerian police who they penetrate in our land go begin to worry them. If we don't do anything with our enemy, our Fulani herdsmen, who live with us, that is Igbo politicians, that they keep on the Carlo and the Simeon where they did. And we and them are robbing shoulder there. That then they bring the Fulani who they kill our people. And tomorrow that they go remove this, that they go remove all those things where we want empower our people now to take. They go tell the police and the army tomorrow to go house to house and remove all those things. Who live with us? That is Igbo politicians. That they keep on the Kano and the senior.
All right, thank you so much. I know, I mean, it was coming out from my second voice, but that's okay. We've heard you, and the point is well made. Adandimbo, go ahead. Adadiorama, please. 2 minutes, please, or less.
Thank you, my DPM. I can name honorable Nine. Because for this bill, Adandimbo Nandege that support here. Cha. Akam opam adeya. Wine Jewes na akam opam adeya. Una iau inyende Fulani, Nigerian government, our governors, our CJ we buchasi manne manai. Ndi baye nwolo nke nwele ego ha ejego egbe kita.
Oh, quickly, let me correct you, Adandimbo, please. Let me correct you. Can correct you now. Forget about onye nwere ego ijego egbe. Onye enweghị ego ijego egbe. When you're analyzing your own opinion, which is your own opinion, don't generalize it.
No,
now I want to correct you.
Because defend if I defend with Ebwe. Oh,
yeah, listen, yeah, but what I'm saying, listen to me. What I'm saying is this. Adandimbo, because just say your own opinion. Okay, you have 1 minute to say that.
Onye ona kwuru okwu ebe anyị example inyekwere 2 minutes mana etikpokwa ya because n'ikwe m
ka na-ekwu na ndị be anyị so just like
ibe anyị na ebe akịta akpa maka ndị be anyị ka anyị na-akpa maka fa ka anyị esi defend onwe fa ọya anyị na-ebe akpa so maka ha nwa ka anyị na-ekwu maka ha ihe m nwa na-ekwu dat na ndị a na-egbu na be anyị ụmụ ogbe eji ego ba ya eji wee ga egbe anyị eji wee defend onwe ha and ije weta this bill pass this bill who na in fact no subuchasizi all of them. Because if the police nanda yene bezikita onye abatara biye asi okwa Biafran government and the government una sunu je ga egbe we defend them and the Fulani ona asi abi otu Fulani na abia o Fulani na onda mi na abia nda ha na eje ofu ha na ehi nne kedu ka yesi we bataba ofu onye ka yesi be empower the only thing na yo ka Biafran government mara ka yesi we protect our land our people are me we be ni ha onwele be ha ye ga egbe ọnwụ na enwere ebe anyị ege bekete si ka jegola egbe were protect with much money ihe awụkwa another atrocities ka na-achọ alụ na chi ka na eme na bai na ọnwụ na pass this bill because let Biafran government, my own opinion, let Biafran government mara ka anyị esi wee mee were protect the life of our people are not capable to protect themselves. Yes. You watch any nebu. Imutrumu or imutu gafi kuzoku. So what?
Mute yourself.
I'm not gonna make woku, okay. So what the hell?
Mute yourself.
Hey, you meet me finish talking. It's mukuoku. You mute me some mukuoku. How can I kuonoku? You mute me. You mute me. Imagine me on some mute on them. Take here, see mute to me. You mute me. Because of the mass supporter, how can I support this kind of thing? You mute me now, some muku. How can BIAFRA and African amen? How can I support whom I obey by? Take I yes, wage a gateway.
Chief Adandimbo, we've heard you. Thank you so much. You
mute me, some you had me.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Our people,
thank everyone, my fellow cabinet. Thank
let them protect our land.
The killing
another pen can
in our land is too much now.
It's too much.
And the way Nigerian terrorist government are killing our people is not good. So in aspect part of that, I am in support that our people should look for one way or the other to defend themselves whenever such things come out. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Enter BIAFRA, go ahead, please. Let's make it short. Enter BIAFRA, go ahead.
Yes, okay. I was muted before.
Go ahead.
I greet all cabinet. DPM, I greet you also for your courage. This bill, I support this bill because self-defense is not a crime. Well, I don't want us to be thinking how people are going to do it because our people have been doing those things before. So it is time to apply it with a government structure. It doesn't mean that everybody should be doing otherwise. So as they are giving the law, they will be monitoring the events. We have our targets. Not every BIAFRA is our target. So no government can give their citizen law to kill themselves, rather the enemies. So I support this bill 100% to be passed for BIAFRA to defend themselves. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Honorable Edward, go ahead, please. Honorable Edward, go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much, my DPM. Thank you, honorable members of the House. I appreciate you all and thank you for this opportunity. I just want to say this. There is no way we can do the same thing and expect a different result. We have been taking it easy, using our men on ground, and since they were able to isolate our Prime Minister, they intensified the killings. Intensified the killings. Who is making noise, please?
Those people will be.
Who is talking? Please hold on. So they have intensified their killings more than expected. And those who have been complaining that our Prime Minister is the cause, they have gone silent. If you can remember what happened when EFCC forcefully entered one man's house and one of them was gunned down. That's an example. And for some time, they will never attempt such. So I stand with the government. Let's take a different approach this time. We have to defend ourselves. Our people have to defend ourselves as we support them. So I support this bill for our people to defend themselves in any way they can. Even with petrol, put it in the bottle, throw it anywhere. It's a serious harm. So I support the bill for us to defend ourselves, for our people to be safe. The blood is so much. So I support this bill that the government to pass and for our people to defend ourselves. Thank you so much.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. So what is your take on this issue? Do you think that is a good idea? Are you in support of it? Do you think it will go well with the people? Drop your opinion in the comment section because I don't know what you think. Everybody's opinion might sound different. So thank you. Share this video and bye for now.